those panels that we seen yesterday over in Woodroffe, been on exactly 6 years, and there's definitely the installer has done the Highland jig on them. He's danced all over them, just the state they were. Where you look at the cell as snail tracks, and then they develop into micro cracks. And the interesting part, I've never ever seen it before, is that right around the edge of each cell has burnt through the backing board. The whole 60 cell panel, each one has burnt around. And once we cleaned the dirt off the front, you could actually see through it and see the back. Put your hand on it like this and say, oh, hang on, there's your hand there. You shouldn't be able to do that. And that was done by an interstater. He came in, milked the system and disappeared. But as we've seen, the couple of installations we've done, the poor lady, the poor man pays twice. You know, one was dealing with an interstate company. The system wasn't cheap, nor was the other one we've seen in Woodroffe. But one came down to trying to deal with an interstate company. The other one was an interstate company, interstate installer, who just didn't have a clue on how to do an installation. So go local and keep everything in town. If people out there don't keep supporting local companies, we're not going to have any local companies here. You're going to be dealing with interstate companies. Something goes wrong, forget it.